In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom for remote and online learning. Whether you're leading a class, running a study group, or hosting office hours, the process is quick and repeatable. We'll start a meeting, grab the invite link, and share it so your learners can join with minimal friction. I'll explain what each button does so you know you're in the right place, and I'll give you a couple of clear tips to keep things smooth without overcomplicating the workflow. First, open your Zoom dashboard and click New Meeting. This immediately creates a meeting room with you as the host. You'll see the meeting window open and the control bar along the bottom. That confirms you're inside the live room, ready to invite others. If your camera isn't on, that's fine. You don't need video just to generate the invite link. The key is simply being in the meeting so Zoom can assign the unique meeting URL that your participants will use to join. With the meeting open, look at the bottom toolbar and click Participants. This opens a panel that shows who's currently in the room. At the bottom of that panel, click Invite. Think of this as your one-stop place for bringing people into class. You don't have to adjust anything else here. The Invite button takes you straight to the sharing options, so you can quickly get the link without navigating through settings or menus you don't need during a live session. Now, choose how you want to share the details. If you click Copy URL, Zoom places the direct meeting link on your clipboard, ready to paste. If you click Copy Invitation, Zoom copies a fuller message that includes the same link along with extra joining information. Either option works. Paste what you copied into your class group chat, learning platform, or your usual communication channel. Keep the message short and clear so students recognize it fast and can join without hunting for the right link. When participants open the link, they can sign in with a Zoom account or simply enter a temporary display name to join. Encourage learners to use a recognizable name so you can identify them in the participant list. That's it. The meeting is live, your invite is sent, and people can come right in. Remember this simple flow: new meeting, participants, invite, then copy and send. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes second nature for smooth remote and online learning.